and then on Summer Fair. So you've learnt the first 8 bars, I think it is. So if you want to play it hands together now, just make sure that the left hand, you're joining all the notes up and holding them. There is a couple of places where the left hand has to lift. So after the first bar, goes down to G, then it has to play the G again. So in between those 2 Gs, you're going to have to lift. Then on the next line, it plays 2 Ds in a row. So if I go from the end of the first line, so now I'm going up to D, and I have to lift to play the D again. All right. So you need to make sure that you do that lift in good time, both of them, so that you're ready to play the second note and it doesn't make it late with the right hand. If I show you with both hands from the beginning, and I'll just do that for you. So lift, then down, like that. I'll do that again. Join, lift and down, okay? And then the same thing will happen on bar 5 to 6. Let's play that. Up to the D, lift and down, do that again. Join up, then lift and down. All right. Otherwise, the rest of it shouldn't be too bad. So you're holding the tied note while the right hand fills in 4 notes during that point. So let's play it from the beginning now, up to there. 1, 2, 3, lift and down, hold the left hand, and move the right hand along, up to D, lift the D, then down again, hold the left hand. Okay, all right, then from where we've just finished, 6, 7 and 8 bar, I'm going to pick up the right hand, again, pick up the left hand on the D, and you played it all the way through to the end, so I'm going to play it from all the way through for you as well. Middle C, B. Now here's another lift. Bar 11, G. Make sure you go down to G, then up to D, back down to G, then A. Try and get these crotchets up to speed. Make them move down to G. And the ending is middle C, G, and then a little chord. Okay, just look at that chord, that's C and E. So you should have a note between those two, and you've got to spread your thumb and your second finger slightly apart. So just this one bar here, where there are crotchets, you've got a lot of very long notes everywhere else, but suddenly you get 3 crotchets in a row. So be ready for those. They will need to move a little bit, and the right hand will be doing the same. So let me just play from where it says MP on the music, from the D, just the left hand. 2, 3, G, A, here come the crotchets. Da, 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 da. G, watch the ending with the little chord. 2, 3, 1, 2. And it's only short because it's only 1 count, and then it's a rest. And it's very quiet at the end as well. So the right hand, I'm going to go back to the middle line, not the middle line, the second line where it says P there, and I'm going to join the right hand in on the E. So it's moved back to where it was at the beginning with my thumb on E. So make sure you count the rests in between all of these right hand notes. Here we go. E, G, E, G, E, A, E, A. Now with the thumb to F and A, F, B, C, B. Make the notes move. C, B, A, B, G, C. And this is tied, so hold it. Okay, I put a fingering in there, so perhaps you can find a pencil and put a number 2 finger over that G. All right, and maybe a little ring around this bit here. So that's the thumb moves to F, and that's the 3rd finger. So it might be an idea with a pencil to write 3 over that A as well. Okay, to make sure you get all those notes right. Then if you want to put that hands together after you've learnt it, maybe just do 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. and then do 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. So I think I said 3 sections there you can split the music into. So if I go from that D in the middle of the second line, I'm going to put 4 bars hands together. Now I need to lift the B in the left hand and play it again. Okay, so you would practice just that little bit. So can you see that? So that's from there to bar 12. Let's do that again. B, lift the B and play it again. Okay, so you might do that and then play it all from the beginning. Then the next time you want to do some more hands together, start from bar 13 and go up to bar 16. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So the left hand starts on D and my right hand's moved to F and A. Okay, I think that's just slightly more difficult, that little section of bars. So you might want to spend some time learning that. Okay, and then I'm going to do the last 4 bars. So again, another time you want to practice, go on to those 4 bars. So I've got my fingering wrong. Start again. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, little chord, and then both off together. So let me do that section again. It's from where it says writ, just above the bar there.